going to the house of my grandparents where I was born, nearby in the other house. So this is the way going to the house of my grandparents. This is the where we are playing during the June 24 San Juan, that river. So ito malapit na itong ginagana namin. Itong bundok na ito, may falls dyan. Now we are here approaching the house. Stop. Yes. Here. Manaog ko. This is the house of my grandparents. Was built the earliest 1920s. It's wide and have garden, but now it's covered with some the relatives who bought the house of my grandparents. That house, this one, it's big. At that time, this one of the biggest house here in Poblacion Jordan. So that's been long time, early 1920. This is our neighbors. This is the store where we are always. This is stores we are always buying what we need. Before that is wide here and you can plant, but now it's covered by different houses by the relatives who bought this house of my grandparents. So before that house also big, but now it's changed. So many years from 1920s, changed very much. Diretso na para madalian tayo. Nakapos tayo sa oras mga isla. So we are going now to the iconic bridge. During the Spanish time, that was built. Okay. That is, this area is the place where our grandfather lives. You know that mountain alone. And this one also, they are the one who owns this land before. But now it changed a lot. It's the house of my uncle, my cousins, they're here. These people surrounding their neighbors. Now, we are going to show you. Ipakita ko sa iyo ang lumang tulay. They said it is the smallest bridge during the time of the Spanish. Look at that. It's very nostalgic. Look, this is the river before. Now it's changed a lot. This one here is where I sit down, and then it's beautiful. Before that's getting high because of the high tide. So this is now what's happened to the river, small river, Taytay Gamay. So very very wonderful place that we are very happy before during our young. Hi to. Kamusta ka mo? Si Papa mo nakapauli na. Ari. Ano sila, okay? Mga estudyante ini sa Jordan Elementary School. Diyan pupunta tayo doon. Ito. Down din na. Okay. Now let's go. 5 minutes na. now it's changed because of it's changed a lot. So it's look different. We call it Taytay Dako, the one that before Taytay Gamay. So it's not the same what it is there. So before was not changed. It's like that. The other one before, the small one, katulad sila ang itsura, napakaganda noon. Pero okay lang. So paglipas ng panahon, nagbabago. Pati yan, no? Nagbabago na rin. Hi, Nard! Nard! Oh, what are you? Kumusta? Ayan. May mga bangin-bangin pa tani, no? Hindi, kato sa eskulahan na ba? Dito na ka sa eskulahan. Mga sis na. Pagsampot ng kwan, hindi na tayo mag... Ito ang Hordan Elementary School. Yan, noon, diyan ako nag-aaral dito sa Kilid 9, na yan class namin. Classroom. Ang susunod na nagbago na kay nasira, ito ang iconic elementary school. The next is elementary school was changed because of pandemic, so it's look like that. Before is the elementary and the primary and elementary school looks like the same, but now it's not. So dito noon mga tindahan dito ng mga bata nagbibili, ngayon may mansion na, nagbago lahat. Ito malibot lang to. Tapos balik na tayo dito sa malibot. Kuhaan ko lang malibot din sa Lagan. Nagdag sila siguro mga parte nito ng eskwelahan ng Hordan Elementary School. Tapos maliso lang na pabalik, o mag-turn ka pa to, o maliso na lang na pabalik. Dito na, ba't dito sa baybay ko na? Mga 8 balik ta o di ba lang kasi dapat okay, balik ta. Ikuhaan tayo ng simbahan, pero hindi na pagkuhaan ng bandaman. Ha? Oo, sige. Oo, sige, dito lang sa to. Mountain nila, the Rowan, that is formerly bank. Hindi na. Oo, sige. Hindi, may lagyan pa na ako. This is the Church of Hordan. It's round, it's different. Look. Jordan. Yan, this is the o Poblacion Jordan Town. Yan, Jordan Guimaras. Okay, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Dito na pala. Yan lang sa kanto. Yan lang tayo sa kanto. Thank you. Sa kanto lang dito. Oo. Hanggang doon lang tayo sa 7-Eleven kaya mabakal na. Okay. Hey guys, that's all from now. See you soon. See you in the next.